Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports motion sensors and has at least half battery. This prevents mid-session shutdowns. Once done, install an official VR app or a web VR-capable browser and grant camera and motion permissions so the experience can access sensors. Next, prepare your headset. Wipe lenses, fit the strap, and remove cases that block docking. Make sure to close background apps for performance and orient the phone screen so you can slide it into the headset without forcing connections. You now run through the app setup and pick the correct headset profile. This tells the software how to map stereoscopic views. Then calibrate. Align the phone so the center line matches the headset notch and adjust interpupillary distance by shifting the phone or padding until double images disappear. Once aligned, secure all straps for steady tracking. Also tune comfort options, lower motion sensitivity, or enable a fixed horizon, because small adjustments reduce nausea and improve tracking stability during longer sessions. You finish by running a brief test scene for 2 to 3 minutes to verify head tracking, stereo alignment, and audio sync. This confirms everything is ready. If you notice drift or misalignment, recenter the view in the app, toggle motion permissions, and restart the application. These steps often reset sensor misreads. If performance lags, reduce render quality, close background apps, and let the phone cool. Thermal throttling causes frame drops. One key tip: recalibrate sensors after any headset adjustment to avoid issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.